Hello, this is multiple choice questions on Management Information System Part 2. I am Dr. K.K. Misra from R Classes. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel R Classes. This I have compiled in view of your scheduled examinations to be held very soon. Now come to the question. Question number 1. Which of the following should be represented on an information flow diagram? Options are 1. Entity, 2. Source, 3. Process, 4. Attribute, 5. Database. Correct option is 2. Source. Question number 2. A web blueprint depicts 1. The layout of an individual web page, 2. The layout of the home page, 3. The layout of an index page, 4. The layout of a website, 5. Layout of a site map. Correct option is 4. The layout of a website. 3. UML depicts information systems as a collection of, options are A. Entities, 1, 2 processes, 3 data, 4 information, 5 objects. Correct option is 5 objects. Question number 4. Which of the following statement describes a taxonomy? 1. A browsable hierarchy, B. List of equivalent terms, 3. A. Complex controlled vocabulary showing relationships. Correct option is 1. A browsable hierarchy. 5. Which of the following statements about XML schemas is incorrect? 1. Schemas can specify integer values. 2. Schemas are defined by XSD tag. 3. All XML documents must have a schema. 4. Schemas provide data-oriented data types. 5. They offer more flexibility than DTDS. Correct option is 3. All XML documents must have a schema. Question number 6. Which of the following relates to enterprise interoperability? 1. DFD, 2. Information flow diagram, 3. XML, 4. Entity relationship diagram. Correct option is 3. XML. 7. Which of the following is not a type of navigation system for a website? 1. National, 2. Global, 3. Contextual, 4. Local, 5. Regional. Correct option is 5. Regional. 8. What should not be the part of an acceptable use policy? 1. Allowable use of systems, 2. Illegal obligations, 3. Encryption policies, 4. User responsibilities, 5. Account and password responsibilities. Correct option is 3. Encryption policy. 9. Use case analysis focuses upon 1. Data, 2. Objects, 3. Entities, 4. Actors. Correct option is 4. Actors. 10. Which of the following is part of a static view of information? 1. Logical data model, 2. Metadata, 3. Data flow model, 4. Information process model. Correct option is 3. Data flow model. 11. Contemporary information systems are interfacing with customers and suppliers using 1. BPR, 2. CRM, 3. SCM, 4. Both A and B, 5. Both B and C. Correct option is 5. Both B and C. 12. Information systems that support the business functions that reach out to suppliers are known as, options are 1. Back office information systems, 2. Decision support systems, 3. Expert information systems, 4. Front office information systems, 5. None of the above. Correct option is 1. Back office information system. 13. Which of the following is not a class of information system applications? 1. Database management system, 2. Decision support system, 3. Expert system, 4. Management information system, 5. Office automation system. Correct option is 1. Database management system. 14. Who are the people that actually use the system to perform or support the work to be completed? Options are 1. System analysts, 2. System designers, 3. System owners, 4. System builders, 5. None of the above. Correct option is 5. None of the above. 15. Which is not a typical business function? 1. Sales, 2. Service, 3. Manufacturing, 4. Accounting, 5. Benefits and compensation. Correct option is 5. Benefits and compensation. Viewers, by and large, let me tell you that correct options are highlighted in each question. In case of any discrepancy found, that will be corrected through my narration. Now, 16. The flow of transactions through business process to ensure appropriate checks and approvals are implemented is called, options are 1. Procedures, 2. Workflow, 3. Process flow, 4. Process requirements, 5. Procedures. Correct option is 2. Workflow. 17. Language based machine-readable representations of what a software process is supposed to do or how a software process is supposed to accomplish its task is known as, options are 1. Prototyping, 2. Software specifications, 3. Application programs, 4. Human engineering, 5. None of the above. Correct option is 3. Application programs. 18. A specification of how the user moves from window to window interfacing with application programs to perform useful work is called 1. Interface specifications, 2. Software specifications, 3. User dialog, 4. Prototyping specifications, 5. Navigation specification. Correct option is 3. User dialog. 19. Examples of keyless interfaces include 1. Barcoding OCR, pen and voice recognition, 2. Mouse OCR, pen and voice recognition, 3. Keyboard OCR, pen and voice recognition, 4. All of the above, 5. None of the above. Correct option is 1. Barcoding OCR, pen and voice recognition. 20. Open database connectivity OBDC. Tools are an example of 1. Layware, 2. Toolkit, 3. Interfaceware, 4. Middleware, 5. None of the above. Correct option is 4. Middleware. This was all about this video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it. And if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.